Hey everyone, I'm Dennis. I've led over 1000 clean canvas business workshop with my clients. Today, I'll teach you how to use business model canvas and share 10 juicy insights about clean canvas you need to know to rock it like a pro. This video is perfect for both lean canvas veterans and newbies alike. As the director of an IT company, I've been around the lean canvas block quite a few times over the past decade. I've seen folks make a bootload of mistakes when using this business planning tool. So, this guide could boost your business success chances by up to 28%. So, buckle up and let's dive in. First off, forget the business model canvas. That's so 2010s. Instead, opt for the lean canvas business plan. It's much more sensible and does a fantastic job of showcasing your ideas in the best possible light. Now, looking at all these boxes and tables, you might be wondering, where on earth to start? Fear not. This is where my first life hack comes in. The order in which you will fill the lean canvas blocks is crucial. It's like piecing together a puzzle. One part leads to another, and soon enough, you've got a complete picture without any odd gaps or inconsistencies. Trust me, I've seen folks get tangled up in the solution box and forget about their customers or their unique selling point. Once you've got the lean canvas order sorted, it's time to identify your customer segments. Ask yourself some simple questions. Who's your target audience? Whom you're trying to help? Which customer group will you serve? And are there any subcategories within this group? Answering these questions will lay the groundwork for your business plan. Tip number 2. Channel your inner Sherlock Holmes and focus on your customers' problems like a detective on a case. Seriously, spend 80% of your time getting to know your user types and the problems they face. This is the lifeblood of your business plan. You need to understand your customers' problems, as well as your own face in the mirror. Next up, it's time to brainstorm solutions. Answer these 3 questions. What features will solve your audience problems? What solutions will meet their needs? What can you create to make their lives easier? I remember when I first started my IT business and began selling software development services, one of my clients asked if we also offered design services. My initial response was no, but then I asked myself, why not? What's stopping me from hiring a designer and catering to my customer need? Turns out that was a game-changing decision. Why? Because when running a business, you need to be agile, flexible, and customer-focused. So the next tip is fall head over heels in love with your customers' problems and needs, not your solutions. Alright, let's move on to the next block. Alternatives or competitors. When crafting your business plan, it's vital to identify your direct competitors, as well as other ways your customers might solve their problems. Focusing on your direct competitors will help you gain a deeper understanding of the product you're planning to create. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, but always keep an eye on competitors in other countries for fresh and unique features you can adopt for your market. Pro tip: a well-completed lean canvas business plan can save you up to 30% on expenses. If you're enjoying these tips, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tailored business insights you won't want to miss. When it comes to your unique value proposition, it's crucial to combine your solution and competitive advantage to create the perfect offer for your audience. Ask yourself 2 simple questions. Why should a customer choose my solution? And why should they choose me over my competitors? Here's another pro tip. If you aren't sure which unique value to highlight, create 10 offers, run a Facebook campaign, and see which one gets the most attention and engagement. But sometimes, when you're juggling multiple ideas, it's tough to know where to focus. Life hack: find a partner or entrepreneur with business expertise to help you fill out the lean canvas business plan and iron out all the details. Trust me, having someone with a solid background in business can make all the difference. I once took my COO, CTO, business partner, and 2 top developers to a lean canvas meeting with a client and their partner. It took us 2 days to organize everything, but the client business was up and running within 4 months thanks to that plan. We created an AI image recognition system and a massive CRM system for art fair events. So remember, sometimes it takes a little extra effort to achieve great success. When it comes to early adopters and channels, it's crucial to know who your first users will be and where they spend their time online. This is vital for a successful start. For example, a friend of mine was deeply involved in crypto Ripple communities for years. When we created a lean canvas business plan, we targeted Ripple communities on Telegram to promote his first YouTube video. By building connections and sharing valuable ideas with these communities before the video was even created, we managed to slash promotional costs and gain massive exposure. After the video was launched, 2 days later, he had over 1,000 subscribers and comments. That's how you nail the early adopters block. Want more business goodness? Join my Telegram channel, where I regularly share niche insights and valuable info. You will find the link in the video description. Now, let's talk high-level concepts. Forget elevator speeches, they're a thing of the past. Instead, focus on your grand vision and what your product will look like in the next 5 to 10 years. This will make your pitch deck look like a potential unicorn. And let me tell you, angel investors love potential unicorns. You want to catch their attention without a big, bold plan. So, map out your future and potential expansions. Here's another pro tip. The product you're creating right now with this business canvas plan should be the MVP, minimum viable product, for your customers at this stage. Solve one problem at a time and stay agile and flexible, tackling issues one after another, step by step. Use baby step strategy to conserve resources and budget. When it comes to key metrics, it's essential to know how you will track users' engagement and which specific KPIs, key performance indicators, to monitor. Use tools like Google Analytics, Session Stack, Firebase, and Mixpanel to regularly check the health of your business and uncover hidden client needs. Pro tip: rewrite your lean canvas business plan in 1 month, and you will uncover a gold mine of insight. Rewrite it in 3 months, and you will see just how many new insights you will get from it. Next, let's tackle revenue streams. Determine your available income sources and outline your pricing structure. But here's another pro tip. At the initial stage, don't obsess over monetization. Yes, you're running a business, not a charity, and income is essential. But when creating a business plan or starting a business, focus on the value you can provide to your customers. Trust me, once they fall in love with your product, it will be easy to implement monetization strategies like payments, subscriptions, ads, and so on. Now, onto the cost structure block. Map out all your potential expenditures for the next 6 months when filling in this block. Remember that you can use the Lean Canvas business plan for more than just your business or startup. You can even use it for everyday activities, like running a YouTube channel. For example, if you're eager to start a business but don't know where to begin, reach out to me via links in the description or via Calendly for a 30-minute call. I'm more than happy to share game-changing knowledge and expertise to help your startup take off. So, what you're waiting for? Let's make it happen. And before you go, don't forget to watch this video on how to create a dating app like Tinder. Catch you later.